Hey guys, Charlani here, and thank you so much for tuning in to Charlani TV. Today I am going to take all of our holiday decorations out of our storage closet. I'm going to bring everything out and create a game plan on how I am going to tackle decorating this house for the holidays. So I have already started, as you can see behind me. I just did the Christmas/holiday haul that I unboxed and unwrapped all the things that I have been collecting over the last few months. And then I already have a bunch of holiday decorations that we are going to pull out and kind of get everything incorporated. I cannot wait. This is my most favorite time of the year for sure. It brings me all the joy to bring out all of the Christmas gnomes and our reindeers and just all the things. So we're going to decorate our tree and just kind of get everything ready to go. So this video is all about prep work and getting everything pulled out, doing a little bit of cleaning and kind of setting the stage to then just tackle it head on and bring out all the stuff. All right, we'll see you in the video. So we started by moving the piano out of the entryway. So I had to have Rob come and help me because this piano is ridiculously, deceivingly heavy. And this was me going, no, half an inch this way, half an inch that way. He was so super just patient, which, you know, gotta love him. All right, the piano is officially moved. So this is just the absolute perfect, best place for our tree. So that is ready to go. It is moved over here. I'm going to, first of all, I'm gonna paint the legs of that chair. We're gonna paint them the same way that I painted these chairs here. But I am going to get a holiday carpet. That's the one that used to be here. But I'm gonna get a holiday one. And now we are going to bring it all out. I stored everything last year like a champ. I'm gonna add to this year, obviously, because we got a lot of new stuff too, but I'm confident that it will all fit. I have to just be very strategic in my placement and kind of Tetris style everything. I should probably let Rob do it because he can pack a car like nobody's business. So we get everything out and just kind of get everything set up so I can see it all. It's all in the main area so that I can find what I need really quickly and put it where it goes. All right, we've got everything out of the storage and into my staging area. All the things. Feels good to have it all out though, for sure. Now I can kind of just see where everything is and place accordingly. And then obviously I've got some gift wrapping type boxes that will probably end up going back into that storage area, and then I'll just pull from it when I need it. Well, we actually have lots of gift wrap stuff. Yay! So we've pulled out the tree and now it's time to set it up. I have tags on each section so I know how to place the section on the base. But this tree takes a good whole day or so to decorate, so it's gonna be its own video. But here I'm just getting it set up and ready to go. And I actually end up taking off the top two pieces, as you'll see in the tree decorating video, but it just makes it so much easier to put the star on top and do all of the tree topper goodness. So now the stage is set and it is time to clean. I recently put all the fall decor away, so it has been busy. Cleaning has been put on the back burner, but before I set up all the holiday things, I like to do a quick declutter, not a deep clean, just a really quick cleanup. So I started by getting my work stuff taken care of. I work from home, my business is virtually based, so I'm checking in with my messages, I'm replying and I'm responding to emails, and then I'm plugging into my online health and fitness groups. This is what I do full time, absolutely love it. I get to get healthy, stay healthy, and help other women do the same. And we support each other and we keep each other accountable every single day. This group and community absolutely give me all the life. So we have an app where we get to check in with each other and stay accountable. It's where I share healthy recipes and meal plans and all the things. Absolutely love what I do. And for you ladies out there, if this is on your radar, I'll leave a link below in the caption and I can send you details on how to be a part of it. This is our all-natural supplements area. It's where I keep our daily superfoods and veggies, shake powder, our pre-workout, our post-workout, our electrolytes, all the things. And I like functional beauty, so I take everything out of the containers and I add them to my glass containers. I just love the way that it looks. So I take the time to do this and I restock, and I can see when things need refilling or reordering. So not only is it pretty, but it's convenient as well, so we don't run out of anything. Everything starts with a clean kitchen. Every pickup and declutter and deep clean session I do starts with the dishwasher running and counter cleaning. I'm using the Apple Orchard Method granite cleaner. It's plant-based. I love the way it smells, and I just think that all natural cleaners in the kitchen are good practice. And I clean our countertops often. This is gorgeous granite, but it rarely looks dirty because of all the different colors, so I definitely try to stay on top of it. Now I've got my green clove and aloe oils burning, and oh, it smells absolutely amazing. And just like that, the kitchen is done and the countertops are ready for all of the holiday things. And oh, it just smells so good. Clean kitchen just always brings me joy and makes my heart happy. And now we can focus on getting the rest of this house cleaned. I'm spraying and I'm wiping down the coffee table and the end tables. It's just a quick wipe and dust. Some of this stuff is going to stay, some of it's going to get stored away for the holidays. We will kind of just have to see what makes it and what works with the decorations that I want here. Next up is the mantle, and the mantle was a mess from the fall foliage and the decoration. So I did a quick wipe down and dust here as well. And then the bottom was really messy. The strays from like the hay bales, they're still here, and more pieces from that mantle foliage. So I grabbed my Shark hand vac and went to town, and I could not believe how dirty it was here. Obviously, a lot of dust collects here, and this is just so satisfying to get it all just up and out of here and cleaned off. And now it is ready for Christmas decorations. Now I'm gonna put back some of the things that I had pulled out from the storage closet. These luggage bags can probably go somewhere else. And I'm putting away some of the gift wrap stuff. I'll just pull them out when I need them. But I'm curious, are you a wrap as you go kind of a person, or are you a one big wrap fest kind of a person? I'm usually one big wrap fest, but my kids are older now, so I don't have to worry about them digging into everything. But I'm curious, which one are you? So I'm doing a really quick floor sweep with my Swiffer, and then I'm doing a really quick vacuum. And I say quick because I'll have to do this again after decorating. We have glitter everywhere. And I had a little message on my Dyson, and it said that it needed to clean the filter, and clearly I needed to clean this filter off. It was so disgusting. So I just did a quick tap of get all that dust out, and then I used that brush and I just wiped everything off. And then I went ahead and I added some oils on there. Makes it smell so good, and you just have to make sure that when you put it back together that it is completely dry. In fact, it won't even let you use it if it's not completely dry. So that is done, and voila, we are ready. Everything is cleaned off. Everything is ready for decorations, and I am so here for it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you liked it, I'd love for you to give a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed to Charlani TV, it would be awesome if you did. Again, thanks for watching, and hit that bell notification if you want to know when my next video is out. Hope you're having a great day. Bye!